Well, you can tell it's been a cold winter because the trachelospermum that I've got here on a wall has gone that rich red colour. I know it's not supposed to be 100% hardy, but it seems to tolerate our cold conditions. And in fact, going red doesn't hurt. It will drop some of its red leaves a bit later on as spring sprung forward. Or is it springs forward? I don't know. But anyway, look down here. This is what I was trying to show you. Isn't it worth putting in some of these lovely dwarf tête-à-têtes? They're all coming up in the grass here. And as we walk round the area, let's just show you some of the other flowers that are coming up at this moment. Now, snowdrops. And as we look over to the other side here, walking through the trees. Walking through the trees just makes you realise how spring is so important, and it gives you heart, relaxes the brain a little bit. I know we're walking into the sun here, but can you see these are the bluebells just coming up and emerging? And over here, look at these daffs, just ready to burst. I'm going to be showing you those in a few weeks' time. But remember that when you plant all these, you've got to actually plant them in the autumn. You can buy them this time of year in containers, you know, pots, and fill up your containers with brightly coloured bulbs at this time of the year. But it's quite an expensive way of doing it. But really what you want to do is look out for bulbs in the autumn and get them in the ground, just like we've been showing you here on World Radio Gardening. More bluebells, see bluebells coming up here? And I'll be showing you those as they come into flower. Just walking across, a lot more daffodils. Just having a stroll at this time of day just gives you heart, doesn't it? Gives you heart. A few more snowdrops. Snowdrops are still coming up fairly well as well. So there you are. There's my little walk through the woods. Has it cleared my head? Of course it has. So there you are. Remember, I'll remind you, I will, here on the World Radio Gardening, to get out there, plant some bulbs, ready for next spring. But that'll be August onwards.